All other supplements apart from the ones I list in this video are just bullshit. So keep watching till the end if you really want to know what supplements are actually worth your money. But before I get started, I just want to let you know that you don't need any of these supplements. This video is only for those people who have enough money to spend on supplements. But if you don't have enough money to spend in the first place, I would suggest invest whatever you've got in a good gym membership and in buying nutrient dense, healthy, high protein groceries. So with that being said, let's get started with at number 6, it's multivitamins. I mean, honestly, this supplement is like borderline bullshit, but the only reason I'm including it in this video is because it actually works and it actually does what it says. That is, it gives you multiple vitamins. That's because most supplements don't even do what they actually claim. So many of you literally take fat burners and test boosters thinking they're gonna burn fat or boost your test. Do you really know how stupid that is? I mean, anyways, so what are multivitamins? Multivitamins are basically just a pill that has multiple vitamins and minerals, and its main job is to fill in gaps in your nutrition if there are any. But honestly, if you're already getting all of the vitamins from your diet, which most of you probably are, then this is just like an insurance policy to make sure you're not deficient in anything. Multivitamins are not any sort of magic pill that will boost everything you have. It's literally just to make sure you're not deficient in anything. So you're just supposed to take it once a day with any meal of yours, maybe lunch or dinner, and that should be fine. Coming in at number 5 is going to be electrolytes. Electrolytes are essential minerals that your body requires for good muscle function, like potassium and sodium and magnesium. So if you learn a little bit of muscles, you'll come to know that they use sodium ions and potassium ions inside them to have good contractions. So there's some sciencey shit going on inside your muscles that involves the exchange of sodium and potassium ions, and as you continue your prolonged high intensity activity, be it gym or running or long distance jogging or anything, these ions keep depleting. So to replenish them, you need to have a supplement that has potassium, sodium, magnesium, and all other sorts of minerals that your body requires and that it loses from sweating. And that's exactly where an electrolyte supplement comes into picture. This supplement basically helps your muscles work better, and it stops cramps, and it somewhat also gives you a better pump and energy. The best time to use it is usually before or during your workout, or honestly even anytime throughout the day if you're feeling dehydrated. Using this supplement is really not that complicated. You just have to add one sachet or one serving to some amount of water and just drink that. Coming in at number 4 is going to be vitamin D. As you might have already heard this a number of times, vitamin D is made by your body, particularly your skin, only when you're in sunlight. And nowadays, because most of us are working from home, nobody gets enough sunlight. The only reason why I'm recommending it because it is somewhat linked to better testosterone production, and most of us are low in it. But honestly, you do not need to invest your money in getting a vitamin D3 supplement if you have the time every single day to go in the sun and get some sunlight in. You can take it anytime throughout the day and just make sure it's 1000 IU and not more than that, because it gets toxic at higher levels in your body. Alright, now coming in at number 3, now it's gonna be the supplements that actually work for us gym bros and the ones that I actually take myself. Caffeine. There are only two proven natural performance enhancers in this entire world of supplements, and that's caffeine and the next one in the list. You can get your caffeine from multiple sources, like in the pharmacy, you can find caffeine pills, or in other supplement stores, you can find pre workouts, or you can just get it naturally from your coffee. Though the physical benefits of caffeine are very, very exaggerated, I do think that the mental energy that caffeine provides is a big factor in improving your physical output in return. It basically just stimulates your brain to have better focus, and it just makes your workouts feel easier so that you can push harder. You can have it 30 to 60 minutes before your workout, but just make sure you don't have more than 5 milligrams of caffeine per kg of your body weight, because that becomes too much to process and that may cause sleep disturbances for you. Coming in at number 2 is going to be creatine monohydrate. No, it's not a steroid, it's not a drug, it's not something unnatural. It's a completely natural substance already found in your body that comes as a white powder. It's the most well-researched supplement in the entire supplement industry, and it is scientifically proven to enhance your strength in the gym and help you grow more muscle in the long term. What it basically does is that it increases the amount of ATP in your muscle cells. You might know ATP is the energy currency. So more the ATP, more the energy. And that's what helps you lift more weight in the gym. You can take it anytime throughout the day. It really doesn't matter because it works chronically. That means you have to take it every single day to start seeing the effects eventually. It's not something like a pre-workout that it works acutely, as in it's not something like you take it and then you immediately see the results, you immediately feel stronger. You have to keep taking it for about 4 to 5 days, and then you'll notice your strength in the gym going up. Just have 3 to 5 grams daily with literally whatever you like. You can mix it with your food, you can have it with water, you can mix it with your pre-workout, or you can literally just dry scoop it. Just it needs to go in your body. And coming in at number 1 position is going to be the best supplement of all. That's whey protein. I mean, honestly, this was sort of a no-brainer. Like, this is the most convenient source of protein you can have in the entire world. It's literally just a powder that comes from milk that contains all the protein in it. So if you're having milk, you can have whey protein. Now, why should you take it? Pure, plain, simple convenience. Let's compare getting 20 grams of protein from whey protein and 20 grams of protein from real food. For real food, you'll have to go to the market, get a slice of chicken breast, come home, marinate it with your seasonings, cook it, then plate it, then use your fork and spoon and knife or whatever you use to eat it, chew it, then gulp it. Now let's compare how you get it from whey protein. You take a scoop of whey protein from your tub, you mix it with 200 ml of water, you put it in a shaker, shake it and drink it. What is more convenient and what takes lesser time? Now, I'm not saying protein is a must buy supplement. If you have that sort of time and energy to go to the market and cook food every single time, then you do you, bro. But honestly, as a student, as an international student, I don't have that sort of time. I need a lot of protein dispensable at any time of the day near me, because if I'm running low on protein and it's 11 p.m. at night, I cannot spend my energy in cooking food. So basically, this supplement is not like some sort of magical supplement that's immediately gonna help you grow muscle. No, it's not. It's just like protein from food with better digestibility scores that absorbs faster in your body and is just more convenient. But you can make tremendous amounts of gains even without whey protein supplements. What matters is you have enough protein throughout the day. That's it. And this supplement only makes it easier to do so. If you want a complete, detailed, full fat loss guide that costs lesser than what you spend at McDonald's in a day, then the link for that will be in the description box below. Invest in your health instead. And that would be it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Like, share, subscribe, whatever for the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you in the next one.